Welcome to the fascinating world of force and motion. This video will dive into the fundamental principles that govern the way objects move and interact in our universe. Let's start with the Newton's law of motion. The foundation of our understanding this law describes how objects respond to the forces acting upon them. Visual of different forces: gravity, friction, tension, applied force. From gravity, pulling objects toward the earth, friction resisting their motion. There are objects forces at play in our daily lives. Every time you drive a car, play a sport, or use a tool, you're witnessing the principle of force and motion in action. As we conclude our journey into the world of force and motion, remember that these principles are not just abstract concepts. They are building blocks of our physical reality. Keep exploring, keep learning, and stay curious.
Good day everyone, I am Montargo, and today I will be discussing model for equilibrium. In physics, equilibrium is like finding stillness in a world of motion. Just like a stationary object, a system stays in equilibrium when undisturbed by external forces. Now, what do you mean by that? Imagine that you have unfunctioning motorcycle in a flat surface, and there's nothing pulling or pushing it. We say it is in equilibrium. Equilibrium is like when things stay still unless someone or something come along and give it a push.
We're here to talk about fluid mechanics and the three different parts of fluid mechanics. Now, what is fluid mechanics? Fluid mechanics is a branch of science which deals with the behavior of fluid, gases, and liquid. So the three types of fluid mechanics is fluid statics, fluid kinematics, and fluid dynamics.
Hi, I'm Engineer Alois, and my topic is heat and temperature. Heat is a form of energy transfer that occurs between two systems or objects due to temperature differences. Temperature, on the other hand, is measured on the average kinetic energy of the particles in a substance. It qualifies how hot or cold an object is.
Work, energy, and power. First things first. What is force? In physics, work is done when you apply a force towards an object, and the object moves towards the direction of force. Work is a product of force and displacement.
Let's talk about energy. Energy is the ability to do work. There are different forms of energy, such as kinetic energy and potential energy. Kinetic energy is associated with motion, while potential energy is the stored energy related to an object's position.
Now that we understand work and energy, let's talk about power. Power is the rate at which work is done. Think of power as how quickly you can get the work done. For an instance, lifting a heavy rock slowly requires less power than lifting it quickly.
Hi, Engine Cadet Montargo.
Hi, Engine Cadet Sabal. Hi, Engine Cadet Yu.
Hi, Engine Cadet Arain.
Hi, Engine Cadet Pacana.
And that's all. Thank you.